What if I told you the Smart brand, once known for ultra-compact city cars, is now turning heads in the electric SUV space? Meet the 2025 Smart #5, a striking new EV that blends bold design, luxury tech, and off-road capability in one sleek mid-size package. With a muscular, boxy profile, the Smart #5 is the brand's largest vehicle yet. Measuring 4,705 millimeters long and 1,920 millimeters wide, it carries a confident stance with short overhangs and rugged touches like roof rails, a light bar, side steps, and even a ladder in the Summit Edition. Frameless doors and a panoramic halo roof add a futuristic feel, giving this SUV a whole new Smart identity. Inside, it's surprisingly plush. The cabin features zero-gravity front seats with heat, ventilation, massage, and a 121-degree recline. Rear seats get heating, adjustable backrests, ambient lighting with 256 colors, and even airplane-style LED reading lights. Thanks to fold-flat functionality, the seats can be configured into a king, queen, or single-size sleeping surface, perfect for a spontaneous road trip. Interior materials include oak trim and soft touch panels covering 90% of the cabin, delivering a premium experience. Tech-wise, the Smart #5 shines. You get a 25.6-inch AR head-up display, a 10.3-inch digital instrument panel, and dual 13-inch 2.5K AMOLED touchscreens. Running on the AMD 2000 chip and built with Unreal Engine, the Smart OS 2.0 interface looks slick and runs smoothly. And with 21 Sennheiser speakers, including a detachable portable speaker, the audio experience is top tier. Under the hood, it rides on Geely's SEA platform with options for single or dual motors. The top dual-motor Brabus trim pushes out 637 horsepower, going 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. Starting at around $35,000, the 2025 Smart #5 delivers futuristic design, surprising versatility, and serious electric performance. If you're excited for what's next in EVs, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.